What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Doing something as simple as this, a lot of people will struggle with it. Guys, if you want to improve your mobility and your overall quality of life, stop just stretching. You need more than stretching. You need to build strength in these different ranges. And that's what today's video is for. This is a 10-minute beginner mobility routine. We're gonna go through 10 different exercises focusing on improving not only hip internal rotation, external hip rotation, lower back flexibility, and more. The first thing we have today is 90-90 transfers. I'm gonna show you guys the beginner modifications. What you're gonna do, place your hands on the floor or the ground, and we're gonna start by externally rotating the hip. So turn that hip out, internally rotating. From here, just repeat this on both sides. Now you wanna make sure you guys keep your torso nice and square. Don't do this. Try to keep yourself square as much as possible, okay? Now, as you get better at this motion right here, that's when you can evolve and not use your hands, but you're still focusing on keeping your torso nice and square, okay? Be very intentional. Got a little crack. All right, now we have resting squat. Something you guys should get really familiar with, and you can do this like multiple times throughout the day. Right here. This is your resting squat. Something as simple as this, a lot of people struggle, okay? So keep that in mind. If you're like right here, that's fine. But as you guys get more proficient, you'll get lower and lower. Your aim is to keep your back as straight as possible too, okay? Just relax in this position. We're gonna be in the resting squat position probably for like 2 more times throughout the duration of this video. Almost there. All right. Now, guys, we have Cossack squats. Cossack squats. All right, guys, so this is probably one of my favorites. All right, guys, so since this is the beginner, don't go as deep as I am, okay? If you're up right here, that's fine. The biggest thing is stay low as you shift to one side, okay? So staying low, keeping your back as straight as possible. Fight for that positioning, okay? As you guys get stronger, you're gonna get lower, staying low as possible. You can also turn your foot out like that as you guys get lower too, okay? Just make sure back stays straight up as much as you can. All right, great job, guys. Back on the ground, we have 90-90 hip external to hip internal rotation. So external to hip internal rotation. 90-90 position right here. I'll show you from this angle. What we're gonna do is externally rotate our hip, okay? Like that. From here, guys, we're gonna internally rotate, okay? Now the aim is to have our knee and our foot touch the ground at the same time, okay? Steering wheel, if you want, arms crossed. You can also use your hands, but try not to lean forward as much. And also make sure you don't bring this leg forward like this, okay? Imaginary line, don't cross it, okay? All right, so we're gonna be switching to the other side. Another thing I would like to mention is try not to lean so far away from the tension. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you from this angle right here. So what I mean is don't go away from it so much. Try to stay close to that tension, okay? Makes it more challenging, but that much more rewarding. guys. Really articulate that hip. Isolate it. All right. Now we're gonna focus exclusively on hip external rotation. We have a modified pigeon pose press. You're gonna get into the 90-90 like position, something similar to it. And what you're gonna do, try to have this leg at exactly 90 degrees. If it's too difficult, bring it in a little bit. All right, right here, we're gonna stay nice and square, and we're gonna come forward or come down, and we're gonna press back up. Now we're really focusing on strengthening the external rotators in your hips, and then that piriformis muscle. So if you struggle with sciatica or lower back tension and tightness, focus on stretching and strengthening that piriformis muscle. All right, we're making that switch to the other side. Go ahead and get in position now, guys. All right, right here. Squeeze your glutes as you come down. Squeeze them as you come back up. You can relax right here. Keep that tension as you go down and come up. Last one. Okay, now we have frog pose with hip internal rotation. Okay, so in a frog pose like this, and what we're gonna do is focus on strengthening and stretching those internal rotators. So right here, I'm lifting my foot up, bringing it back down. So I'm driving my knee into the ground, lifting one leg up at a time, or I can lift both legs. Now, the more I sit back like this, the harder this exercise becomes. So if I go forward, it's not as difficult, but if I go back, it's a little bit more challenging. Just have slight tension in your glutes. All right, now what we're gonna do is resting squat. Back in that position, we're gonna do resting squat collapses, something that I kind of came up with. So we're in resting squat position. Now, in order for us to get lower in this, we have to really stretch out and strengthen hip internal rotation. So right here, we're gonna try to sink our butt down to the ground. We're internally rotating our hips, okay? So from right there, you see how I'm able to come down? Now, I could just simply do this. If you lack that ability to do that, then that's when you know you struggle a lot with hip internal rotation, but also your ankles might be tight and your lower back. This is why we're trying to strengthen those areas, okay? So come in, push out, keep your back nice and straight. All right, okay. Now we have resting squat, spinal or lateral flexions, okay? So we're in a resting squat, yet again, we're gonna stretch out our back. So right here, grab, reach for the sky, stay big. Right here. Now we're gonna add, we got some rotations, let's get some flexions. So right here, keep your back straight and strong. squeezing your glutes. All right, guys, so 10 minutes, that's all you really need. 10 minutes every single day, guys. Move your body. If you're sick of feeling stiff and tight, don't attribute it to age. It's just because you're not moving your body enough. Doing something like this will help to resolve those issues, I can assure you. Great for beginners, great for all levels. Make sure you guys take that 10 minutes out of your day. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Most importantly, make sure you are properly subscribed. I'll see you guys next video. Peace and mad love as always. And Ashe, boom, we out, baby.